We are pleased to show you the 2021 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, chrome wheels, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.